Funtimers. Welcome back to another cute cat fun time video. Today we're doing a mystery box unboxing, except I already kind of know what's inside of it. I just got back home from school. That's why I look sweaty. So we have this beautiful bag with stuff, and we're gonna be rating them out of 10. If I can read it. Oh my god, I got it! Wait, how did I? Oh my god. I'm just gonna... Another bag! Oh no, this time it's a Ziploc bag. First we got this super long keyboard. Pretty cool. Can you actually pop these? Oh my god, you can. Cannot, never mind. I like the colors on it. This is just the quiet side. It's actually kind of loud. Now it's time for the loud side. I rated it a 6 because I was much rather I don't want like the little spacer things, and I want to pop these things, but like you can't. Wait, what? You can? No, never mind. Can you pop it? Kinda. Okay, the next thing we have these very tiny monkey noodles. They get a 10 out of 10 because I just love them so much. Then we have this thing. I'm skipping that thing. Pencil. Open it up like a chip bag. Basically the same thing with a pencil. And that over there. It has small bubbles and big bubbles. Okay, so this one is very quiet. I'd much rather prefer it to be louder. This is a quiet side. There is a loud side to it, so go through all of these. Loud side. That was terrible. Yeah, this gets a 2 out of 10. It's not that good. And now we have planets. Where's the, oh, it is. Now we have planets. They're actually kind of stiff and hard to pop. Pop. And then this gets like a 3. It's kind of hard to pop. Then we have something really cool that I think I need scissors for. Nope, never mind. I think I got it. Nope, never mind. I need scissors. Unless... yeah, I need scissors. We're back, and I have the bag open. So this is a fidget spinner, and you can pop these. And it looks really cool. Now we have this thing. I'm surprised that these are so well secured. If you've ever heard of like fidget spinners, you know that there's like these fidget cubes. So this is basically what it is. It has little buttons on it, a little joystick, and it has whatever this thing is. I didn't even write these two. So these two, this is a 6, this is a 10. I really like this. Now these things, I forgot what these are called. They're little like ring things that you can put around your finger. But I would have to rate these a 3 because even though they're kind of fun, they hurt, and by things that I've seen, these are really easy to break. More of these things. A lot of these. This guy, the mini guy. What is this made out of? Titanium? This little keychain guy. Except the keychain hole isn't even punched. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Listen to the pop. Amazing. I would rate this thing a 9. I'd prefer it to be bigger. What is this? Oh, it's a puppet bracelet! So, I don't really know which way this is supposed to go. There. On the loud side. I'd rate this a 6. It's really wobbly and it's kind of weird. And I prefer it to be louder. This guy. He's very weird. I actually really like this. Because at the same time, if you pop it, now you have a bunch of bouncy balls. This is a 10. I love this. There's no concerns. Actually, no. This is 9.9 because the smell is terrible. A slinky! We got this little translucent slinky. So that's really cool. This is, what did I rate this? A 6. I have no concerns about it, but I just want to rate it a 6. All the crap is gonna go over here. Okay. We have another mini one, except it's circle. And it's also made out of titanium. You gotta scream to open up things, apparently. And the hole isn't even punched as well. This is a 9 as well, because it's basically the same thing. Another bracelet. It's actually louder than the other one. This is a 9. It's wobbly and weird, but it has a way louder sound than that one. How many of these guys are there? A Poppet pencil case. What is this? What yet? It's a pencil case. Look at that. What yet? The pops are like really echoey. 9 because I don't understand the point of it. Because if you're putting stuff in there, how are you going to be able to pop them back out? Anyways. What are these? Ew, why did I smell them? So we have 2 unicorns and another pink unicorn. These are basically like these, except they have these weird little beads. What are they called? Are these glow in the dark? No, I think these are color sensitive, because when you put them in the light, they kind of glow. Why are these so secure? Like, you're not keeping them from like a bank Okay, this one I probably will prefer more. But the thing is, see, when you pop them, it like leaves a mark of your fingernail. Which I don't really understand. And they barely make any sound. This would have to be a 4. I don't really like it. Oh my gosh, he's beautiful. So these are mochis. They're like little squishy things. This is a unicorn. I will like the unicorn. Why do I keep smelling these things? Yeah, this is probably a 6. What are you? Oh my god, is that a hippo? Oh my gosh, it's a hippo! Okay, this is a 9 because it's kind of harder than the unicorn. We got a squirrel. This will be an 8. I like him. Is that a pink elefante? You want to know something cool? When I was in 4th grade and we were doing like these math problems, we would always like, if we didn't put like what it was, like say like it was like we were adding pencils, if we didn't put it, she would call it pink elephants. And I have a pink elephant now. So that's just funny to me. We have a red unicorn. No, this is a unicorn dinosaur thing. I'll give him a 9. He's actually pretty cool. Is that another unicorn dinosaur? It's another unicorn dinosaur. So it's also a 9. There are so many. What is that? Oh my god, that's a fat bunny rabbit. How do I open him? There. Okay, this is a 10. He looks like a peep. Look at him. That's a peep if I've ever seen one. This guy. I have a bunch of these. I have a lot that are like these. My only concern is that when you turn it like this way, like that one is really stiff. So some of these are really stiff, so it has to be a 6. More of these little ring things, but it's silver. It flew away! There's so much here. How many are these? Yeah, another ring. We got a calculator. I want to know what 3 plus 3 times 2 minus 4. I don't know, it's not telling me the answer. It's saying it's 0. So yeah, that's that. And then outside. I'll give this a 9 because like the little things feel really weird for me. And the last things, mini pop tubes. Can you work these? 1, 2. I had one and I cleaned it and I accidentally drank some of the water out of it like a straw. So now we have them connected. Like a long line. Yeah! Purple. That was really cool. But you know, like yellow and purple are my least favorite color combos. Okay. Are they disconnected? No, they're not. These are really cool. Like a big steering wheel. I rate these what's a rating I haven't done yet? I mean, like, it's not a 1. I'll give this a 7 because it's not good to take on airplanes. The whole thing would definitely be a 10. It's really cool, even though there's some bad ones. But my favorite one out of all of these would either be between this guy, these guys, Slinky, the fidget pad, or this guy. These are all really cool. You can get them off of Amazon. Well, thank you, Funtimers, for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and right after you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you're notified of all these amazing videos. And tell me which one was your favorite, because there's a lot. Bye!